KidBloom WonderZone. Hi friends, welcome to KidBloom WonderZone. How about we kick things off with a fun joke? Why did the calendar get invited to all the parties? Because it's so good at keeping dates. Ha ha ha. Today we're going to learn the months of the year using phonics. Are you ready to sound out and learn? Let's go. There are 12 months in a year. Each month has its own name, and we can use phonics to help us learn how to say them. Let's start with the first one, January. Jan, you, airy. Can you say it with me? January. February. Say it slowly with me. Feb, ru, airy. February. March. Say it slowly with me. Ma, ch. March. How about this? April. Break it down. April. April. This one's short and sweet. May. Ma. May. May. June. Break it down. Ju. Ooh. Na. June. July. Break it down. July. July. How about this? August or Gust. August. September. Can you say it with me? September. September. October. Break it down. October. October. November. Can you say it with me? November. November. This is the last month of the year. December. 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 January, February, March and April, May, June, July. Oh, it's so simple. August, September, October. Hooray! November and December. We've learned them today. Great job, everyone. You just learned the months of the year with phonics. Keep practicing and soon you'll know them all by heart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to KidBloom WonderZone for more learning fun. See you next time.